Don't put all of your money in the bank. First off, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice.
Do whatever you want to do.
Great, now that's out of the way. Now we all know that the banks are paying us less than 1%. So when you deposit your money, you pretty much lend your money to the bank for free. They make money off of your money. Banks have something called fractional reserve banking system. So when you deposit your money, bank is legally to keep a small percentage of it somewhere safe and lend the rest of your money out. Example, you deposit $1,000. They'll reserve 10% of it and lend out $900 to John Doe. Now there is $1,900 in the system. Your $1,000 deposit, John Doe's $900. Let's say John bought a laptop for $900. The seller would then deposit the $900 into the bank. The bank will lend out $810 and now they have $2,710 and they will just keep on repeating it. Your $1,000 will eventually create $10,000 for the bank. My name is Chue Lor. Follow me for more tips.